Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the TTM Trend Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This advanced trend following tool uses multiple moving averages and a momentum oscillator to identify trend direction and strengths, providing visual buy and sell lines for potential entry and exit points. In this video, you will see how the TTM trend works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The TTM Trend Indicator is a technical analysis tool based on the concept of trend following, which involves identifying the direction of the overall market trend and then positioning oneself accordingly to potentially profit from price movements. It is designed to help traders identify trends and make informed trading decisions by analyzing various market factors such as price, volume, and momentum using multiple moving averages to identify the direction of the trend along with a momentum oscillator to measure trend strengths. The indicator provides visual signals on the chart such as buy and sell lines to help traders identify potential entry and exit points, and it can be customized to suit the trader's individual preferences and risk tolerance. You can see how it looks on the chart already. The TTM trend uses a combination of moving averages and color-coded bars to identify trend direction, making it visually straightforward to understand. Buy signals appear when the indicator shows a line, a blue line in this case, when moving averages are aligned in a bullish formation such as a golden cross, and when the momentum oscillator is above zero and trending upwards. Sell signals are displayed when the indicator shows a red line, when moving averages are aligned in a bearish formation such as a death cross, and when the momentum oscillator is below zero and trending downwards. As for the settings, let's take a look. Alright, as you can see at the inputs, you can customize the TTM period. You can also choose your preferred colors and preferred time frames as well. As for who is for, the TTM trend indicator is suitable for traders who want simple interpretation with clear trend direction identification, versatility across multiple time frames, and compatibility with other indicators for confirmation. Its strengths include straightforward visual signals with color-coded lines, effectiveness in identifying trend direction for long-term position management, and adaptability for different trading styles through customization. However, the indicator is a lagging tool that tends to provide signals after a trend has already started, making early entry difficult. It is prone to false signals, especially in choppy or rangy markets, and is ineffective in sideways markets. Relies on historical data which may not predict future movements accurately, and has limited customization with fixed parameters that may not suit all trading styles. You can download the TTM Trend Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how combining multiple moving averages with a momentum oscillator can provide comprehensive trend analysis with clear visual entry and exit signals. If you like trend following tools with built-in momentum confirmation, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.